In this part, we're adding a new weapon to our game, the rocket launcher. Unlike the kunai, which deals single target damage, the rocket will explode on impact and damage multiple enemies at once. This adds variety, power, and much more satisfying combat. We'll create the rocket prefab, the movement script, the explosion system, and make sure the rocket uses our player attack damage so it scales with all upgrades. First, I import my rocket sprite and drag it into the scene. I rename it Rocket, then I add a rigid body 2D, set body type to kinematic, and add a circle collider 2D or box collider 2D with his trigger on. After that, I turn it into a prefab. This will be the projectile that our new weapon fires. Inside the rocket script, I start with a set direction method, so the rocket knows which way to fly and rotates correctly. In Update, the rocket simply moves forward at a constant speed. When the rocket hits an enemy, I call the Explode method. This explosion uses overlap circle all to detect every enemy inside a radius and applies player attack damage to all of them. Finally, the rocket destroys itself, just like any projectile. The explosion radius is fully customizable, and every enemy inside that circle receives knockback and damage. This gives the rocket a powerful effect, making it ideal for clearing groups of enemies. Next, inside the player shooting script, I add a new fire rate, cooldown, and a reference to the rocket prefab. When an enemy is in range and the cooldown finishes, the player automatically shoots a rocket toward the nearest enemy. I pass the target direction to the rocket script, and from there the rocket handles all movement and explosion logic. To give the rocket more impact, I create a small explosion VFX and spawn it at the explosion point. This adds satisfying feedback and makes the weapon feel much more powerful. Let's test the rocket. I press play, and when the player detects enemies, rockets begin firing automatically. When the rocket hits an enemy, it explodes and damages multiple enemies around it. We now have a fully functioning AOE weapon. Powerful, responsive, and ready for future upgrades like bigger explosions, faster rockets, and even homing missiles.